I'm so happy and so grateful. Una sa lahat, good morning. I'm Janine. So nice to meet you and so nice to see you this Friday morning. So maraming salamat for being here, and I'm so grateful also to the iCare family because I really feel like I found the best partner for me and my family's health. So excited to talk more about it today. Thank you po. First thing talaga is when I do my yearly parang expenses, HMO talaga. Kasi sometimes no matter how well you take care of yourself, hindi mo talaga maiwasan, hindi mo masabi kung anong pwedeng mangyari. So I really like encourage everyone to, you know, take the time to get your iCare plan kasi at least meron kang peace of mind na, you know, tuloy-tuloy ka sa trabaho, tayong mga freelancer, di ba? Kakaiba yung schedule, lahat tayo, kung ano man ang trabaho mo, nagpupuyat. So, it's really just nice to have that peace of mind na there is that support system that will take care of you whatever happens. So, bukod dyan, I work out. Yung workouts that I enjoy, yung mga parang hindi mo mamalayan na workout like tennis or paddle, Pilates, yeah, parang yun talaga yung key para sa akin. Something na na-enjoy mo and something you can do with friends or family. So yan din actually yung trick ko para mapa-workout yung tatay ko. Niyayaya ko siya na maglaro tayo, ganyan. Kasi it's those little things that really add up to your overall health.
Gusto rin naman lang, kinunan mo ba si Jennifer?
Diretsahan na daw. Wala naman yung pick-to-pick pa. It's 11:40, let's do it.
Actually, walang kamalay-malay siya, no, na siya na yung napagbintangan sa mga paraw sa Boracay. Pati siya nagulat na, okay to Pero I really love that campaign kasi talagang it's a reminder na before you say yes to anything else, say yes to health. Pero, Tito June, I actually got na for my whole family. So,
including Jericho, is it
actually, hindi pa. Yan ang mamaya, trabahuin natin.
Noted.
Tawagan na natin siya. Pero, I got na for my family. Ate din kasi ako so, apat kaming magkakapatid, and ako talaga yung in charge na bumili ng healthcare para sa kanila. Pero actually, since there are so many choices with the iCare plans, kaya na nila magbayad ng sarili nila. So, so I was able to get for my parents and my 3 siblings.